Hey there, welcome to Online Solutions Hub. In today's video, I want to show you how to back up your contacts to Google so that even if you lose or you lost your phone, you will never have to worry. Yeah, have you ever had that moment when you lost your phone and realized all your contacts were gone? Well, I have a funny story for you. A friend of mine once dropped his phone into a river while trying to take a selfie on a boat. Yes, he lost his phone. His phone was gone, and with it all his contacts. But luckily, he had packed them off to Google, so he didn't lose a single number. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your phone contacts to Google, so you never have to worry about losing them. No matter what comes your way, you will still get them back. So let's go.
Now, the first step is locate settings on your menu screen. Click on settings. From there, scroll down and locate where you see Google. Yeah, here you have it. Click on Google. You wait for it to load the page. Yes. Now, you locate where you see back off or manage backup. You see backup is off, so you need to turn it on. You see where you see photos, contacts, messages, and other devices data are not being backed up. So you click on manage backup. Now you see two settings here. So if you need also to back up your photos and videos, you click on this option. So this will automatically back up your photos into Google Photos so that you will not lose them. Now the second option is other device data, that is contacts, call history, device settings, and others. So contacts is among. So you tap on this box. Very good. But if you don't want to, as for me here, I don't want to back up my photos, then I will just unmark this one. Then I'll go on and click confirm. Then you come other device. Yeah, now the backup is on. You can click also on manage. You see, now you come and click back off now. You click back off now. Then you need to put your fingerprint or security. Then as for me, I will just type my security code. Then it is now being backed up. So all you need to do is to on your data and leave it to back up, and this is how you're going to do. You see, now it is being back up. So thank you for watching.
And that is it. Your contacts are now safely backed up with Google. This way, if you ever lose your phone or you get a new one, all your contacts will be restored once you sign in to your Google account. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to Online Solutions Hub for more tech tutorials. And if you have any question or you need further help, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section so that I'll be able to answer you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.